What's going on, guys? My name is Nathan. Welcome back to another episode of That Sneaker Hustle. I know I've been slacking on the uploads recently and lately. In these past couple months, I've been pretty quiet, but don't worry, I've been working behind the scenes and I've been securing a couple pairs of shoes. But unfortunately, I don't have the live cops to all of them, but I do have some, and I do have a very important one that I'm going to be showing you guys today, as you guys can probably see by the title and thumbnail of this video. Without further ado, I hope you guys are doing good and hope you guys are staying safe during these times out there. As you guys can see, we got a shoe on that wall right there, that third shoe, and if you guys know, then you already know what that shoe is all about, and you guys probably like, yo, how'd you get it? I'll show you guys very shortly. But before we get into that, I want to say a big shout out once again to DreamCook for sponsoring me and sponsoring today's video once again. Insanely low prices, there's not much more to say. You guys have already heard me talking about them. $10 a month, and it's unbeatable. You get your money back guaranteed if you don't make your 10 bucks of that month back, and it's pretty much free at that point. So what are you waiting for? Go down below, use my referral code for a discount, and it counts for you and me. So yeah, we're gonna have it down in the description box below. I'll have my Discord name for the referral, and I'll also have the link to DreamCook and their Discord. They provide so much, and I've been in countless Discords, and I don't even want to bother naming them because I'll put them to shame compared to what this Discord offers. So yeah, without further ado, don't wait, join the Discord, look in the description, and let's get into live cops. Alright guys, so like I said, we do have an unboxing today. So we have a Yeezy unboxing today. If you guys know, last week the Carbons released, and I managed to get myself a pair, and unfortunately I only got one pair. And the reason for that is my alarm didn't go off and I slept through the whole entire day of drop. So yeah, that's what you get for being on Pacific time, so it's all good. But as you guys can see, here it is, the 350, and you guys can see the size 7.5. So let's go ahead and see what we got going. Alright, like any other 350 silhouette. Put them next to each other for you guys so you guys can get a good look at those. Not a bad shoe, looks pretty good honestly. But yeah, so that was that. Thank you guys for staying this far into the video and watching the unboxing. Now let's get on to the recap of the last month. Let's see what I copped, let's see what I sold, and you guys are gonna be the first ones to see it. Let's go.
On the track, boy.
Monkey.